Okay, so let's talk about the buttons on the machine. So we're going to start over here on the right side. So this is the automatic needle threader button, okay? This is your down, it puts your foot down. This is your scissors. This is needle down. This is backstitch, and this is your go button. For sewing, you can use this button instead of using your foot. You just press it once and it'll sew for you. Your backstitch button is obviously for backstitching. For embroidery, this doesn't do anything, neither does this button. So basically from here over, this is all sewing features. And this is also a sewing feature, and for widening your bobbin, the speed control. Does not matter at all when you're doing embroidery, but when you're doing sewing,